Hi, today I'm making Cornish hens. It's that time of year. We're getting close to Easter, and so I wanted to demonstrate. I start with two dry hens, and I'm going to place them in whatever baking dish you choose. You can place them in whatever. I use a stalk of rosemary, a pineapple topping, 2 cloves of garlic, a whole onion, fresh ginger, as well as 2 stalks of celery. And all of those ingredients are going to go into my hens and around my hens while they bake. I also use mayonnaise because I use mayonnaise to sort of coat the hens and help them brown. I use my rosemary oil. Hopefully you've made some. Next, I'm coating my hens with the mayonnaise, and as you can see, I'm trying to make sure that they are well coated. For my seasonings, I'm using a teaspoon of sage, a teaspoon of Lorry seasoned salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Next, I'm going to take all of those vegetables that I had on my cutting board, the ginger, the onions, the celery, the rosemary, all of those ingredients, and I'm going to stuff the cavity. And whatever is left over, I will place it either on the actual Cornish hen, or I will put it in the pan. Next, I blend my seasonings before I sprinkle them across or over the Cornish hen. And so that's just to make sure that the flavor is evenly distributed between the breast and then the legs of the hens. I'm going to use my pineapple topping and just pour it over both hens. After that, I'm going to cover it and I'm going to cook it on 275 for about an hour. And at the hour mark, I'm going to actually take the foil off and leave it uncovered to cook another 15 minutes so that it can brown. And when it's done, you have Cornish hen ready to be served for your holiday meal.